Apparently, you see, I haven't left the chick yet. And I see it's waiting for me to leave. I'm not done admiring its magnificence. I mean, this is truly a wonder of nature. Oh my gosh. I don't know how I found this. I was just riding my motorbike around the field. And then I came, and then I rode by a soccer goal, and I found it. I mean, I found 3 of them, but the other 2 have ran off already, and the 2 parents have. So this is the only one here. Look, you can see his little mouth. Oh my gosh, that was a little fly. Get away! Well, I have to end this video saying this because flies are attacking me. Look at that beauty. Goodbye. But goodbye, YouTube, for this video. I'll miss you, little bird, and your wondrous beauty. Wondrous, wondrous beauty.